Coming up at Fun with the Bugs, we got the SGILE RC stunt car. Right after this. So first we want to thank SGILE for sending us this RC stunt car. We have a link in the description below on how you can order it. We are super excited. Let's take a look. It says that it has roll stunts, it has double-sided rolls, 360 spins.
So it can do 360 spins?
360 spins.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
Check it out, Bugs. Check it out. We got action. There's a 360 roll going on. We have remote control. Let's open it up. Let's see what's in the box, Bugs. We got the card. We got the remote.
We got the something.
We got
Battery.
Charger. Rechargeable batteries.
Can I see?
How cool are those batteries, Bugs?
Red! Blue!
So we got the car out of the box. As you can see, the wheels spin 360. There's some rollers here, I guess, to help the car flip around. The top of the car and the bottom of the car are the same. So your car will always be facing right side up, which is cool. Here is the remote control. We got...
It just goes straight.
Up and down, up and down. So
Straight and straight.
we'll have to see how the controls work when we're checking it out.
How do you turn it then?
We are going to charge the car up, Bugs, and we are going to have some fun, and then we'll be right back.
I wonder how it turns.
Back. Bugs, your thoughts?
Oh, so much fun.
Super cool, super fast, lots of stunts, lots of flipping, lots of craziness with this RC car.
Like this?
Just like that, Bugs. So once again, check out the link in the description below on how to order this RC car from SGILE. Thanks SGILE again for sending us this car to check out. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. Please subscribe right over here. And please leave us a comment. Let us know your thoughts on this awesome stunt car. Bugs, like we always say,